At some point, you may need to repair your B7 or A7 valve. The repair process for both valves is the same. To start, first remove the top half of the valve using your valve wrench. Next, lock the valve in the open position by pressing down on the pin and turning it counterclockwise. Place a piece of tape over the valve. This will prevent the spring and pin from falling into the boat chamber when you remove the plunger. Push the valve back into the boat and rotate it so that the plunger is visible through the hole. Now take your needle nose pliers and carefully snap the pin connected to the plunger. Note that you'll want to be very careful not to scratch the valve where the plunger seals against the valve body. Now rotate the valve back to its original position. Remove the tape and then the old pin assembly by turning it clockwise. Insert the new pin assembly and lock it in the open position by turning it counterclockwise. Next, place another piece of tape over the valve opening. Once again, rotate the valve so that the pin is visible through the hole. Now, carefully thread the plunger onto the pin, being careful not to cross-thread the pin. Once the plunger is secured to the pin, rotate the valve back around and remove the tape. Reinstall the top half of the valve, and then replace the valve cap gasket. If you have any questions, please give us a call or visit us online at nrs.com.